Hey guys, this is Chadley here at MetalWorks. We're taking a quick look at our 1967 Pro Touring Chevy II Nova build that's in the fab shop. Dayton did a really amazing front bumper on this car. It has an absolute OEM look to it, but it has been modified in just about every way imaginable. There's been a lot of metal work done to the car. Another custom piece that Dayton hand built was this filler panel. But on the actual body itself, both rear quarters were replaced. A fair amount of metal work above and beyond all the one-off stuff that Dayton and the team have done. Inside the engine bay here, you can see it's pretty heavily modified firewall as well. And the Nova is running full Detroit speed suspension, both front and rear. There you can see the shot of the radiator with the dual cooling fans. Down here is where the lines will run for the heat and the AC. A couple more areas where Dayton smoothed things off. Both the cowl and the top of the dash have been smoothed of all their vents. Moving inside the car here, you can see these Recaro heated and power seats. Dayton built custom mounts for those. You can also see the frame connectors in the rear section of the floor here. In the dash, we've got Dakota digital gauges with a modern touchscreen style stereo head unit. And lower on the dash here, you can see the vintage Air AC. Rear seat down to the springs. They have to be slightly modified to work with the mini tubs. On the rear quarter panel of the car, you'll see there's no longer a gas filler door. Before Dayton welded that quarter panel on, he smoothed that out. So the gas door, that's another really cool custom feature that Dayton did, and it's inside the taillight. So that's a really neat one-off piece that he built. The rear bumper on the car has been heavily modified as well. Not quite as much as the front, but tucked, narrowed, the center bump taken out to keep even gaps across the car. So both bumpers, a lot of work done there. Looking inside the trunk, you can see the mini tubs, the style that they're performed, they look factory, but you can get a much larger rear tire in there. You can see the battery tray and the battery shutoff. On the driver's side, you can see the pieces of fab for the filler neck going up to the taillight filler. And taking a look underneath the car, just a quick look at the rear Detroit speed suspension. So if you want to see more about this build, you can go to our website, metalworksclassics.com. We heavily document all of our builds through photography. So you can see how Dayton did a lot of the custom features on this car. If you have any questions, if you'd like to reach out to the shop, you can give us a call at 541-341-3372. And keep checking back here on YouTube as we're adding content pretty consistently. If there's anything you guys would specifically like to see coming out of the shop as far as YouTube content, feel free to leave a comment in the video. But thanks for checking things out, guys, and we'll be chatting with you soon. Take care.